The subject of today's video is how to write the email subject line or the hook for your emails that you send to your customer list. Hooks that will grab their attention and thereby increase your open rates and eventual sales. Hello, my name is Don Novak and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I began my affiliate marketing career in December of 2020. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devon Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not work for me. Now, when sending sales copy emails for the first time or multiple times with your autoresponder email system, the strength of your subject line can determine your success. These fundamental email marketing tips can be applied to any email next time you're crafting an important subject line. Number one, of course, is give it a hook. And a hook can be broken down into subcategories. One subcategory is ask a question hook. For example, why do most online businesses fail? Which of course comes under education and FYI. Then make the answer in your email body a logical solution. Next is the story hook. For example, how this Missouri high school dropout made his first $1 million online. Then of course there must be a relevancy between the story and your product and service that you're selling. The next kind of hook is the make a promise hook. An example is get your financial freedom back now, or the fear of missing out on a promise hook, which is called FOMO, the fear of missing out. An example of this would be this free email marketing course ends at midnight. The next kind of hook is remind them of a problem hook. For instance, is making online a scam. This involves a threat, a warning, or some possible pain, such as an email trying to sell you a home alarm system or why buy travel insurance. Think about how you could summarize the purpose of your email in just a few wow words. Your email open rate depends on it. In fact, studies have found that a whopping 33% of email recipients open emails based on the subject line alone. Create a subject line that grabs your customer's attention right away. For instance, your very first email, which should go out as soon as they register for your product or service, should say, please verify your email address. And then others down the line could say, do you know the dirty truth about making money online? Or do you want to make more money online? Next, make your hook short and sweet. Nothing says no thanks like a subject line going from a few words to a long sentence. You only have a few seconds to make a brilliant first impression, and your subject line is no different. Not to mention, Contact Monkey's discovery that 40% of emails are opened on mobile phones first, where the average mobile screen can only fit 4 to 7 words max. It may take a few tries, but try to make your subject line between 30 and 50 characters tops. Next, be direct and to the point in your subject line. Are you sharing an event time or details? Do you have some urgent questions that you need answered right away? Don't wait for the body of the email to explain your urgency. Let them know right away in the subject line. For instance, start your subject line with event details or urgent questions so that the purpose of your email is immediately clear. Next, timing is key. When you send your email is crucial. Together with a perfect subject line and the time you send it will make an unstoppable email. You don't want to send your email late after work hours or too early before the day begins. There are times people are less likely to open your email. Think about the purpose as it relates to when you should send it. For instance, are you sending an email about happy hour? Send that thirsty email right around 4 p.m. when the workday is winding down. Sending it at the right time. Best times to send an email are 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and sometimes 9 p.m. And you can send a few at 9 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays are the best 2 days of the week. However, most successful online marketers send emails to their customers almost every day. But weekends do have the lowest open rate. And finally, caps, capitalization, and exclamation points don't work in the subject line. Using caps and exclamation points may get the receiver's attention, but not in a positive way. Crafting your subject line with the loud use of special characters and caps will send your email straight to spam. In fact, according to GetResponse, more than 85% of respondents prefer an all lowercase subject line versus one in all caps. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that is the best and most up-to-date on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video. To your continued success.